Emergency! Ronnie's lost his favorite bone. He's been crying about it for hours. I guess that means it's time for Detective Shelley to go on the search for the missing bone.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Properties of matter are just ways that we describe, well, matter. We know that matter consists of solids, liquids, and gases. Some ways we can describe them include color, size, shape, weight, hardness, and flexibility. So now let's take our knowledge of properties of matter and go find Ronnie's bone. Okay, Ronnie's bone is long, it's round, a tan color, it's not flexible, and it's hard, but not super hard. I can still scratch it with my fingernail if I wanted to. So let's see what we can find under the couch. This toy is orange. It's shaped like a hippo. It seems pretty flexible. It makes a sound, and it's really soft. I can scratch it with my fingernail. I don't think this is the bone. Let's see what else we can find under the couch. Ooh, now this is very soft. It has a texture, scratchy kind of material to it. It's squishy, it's flexible, it's red and white, and it's shaped like a steak. This isn't our bone. Found another toy. Now this one is long and round like Ronnie's bone, but it's really flexible, it's really soft, and it's green, red, and white. That's not Ronnie's bone. Now this is blue, it's round, it's fuzzy, it's squishy, and it's soft. I don't think that's Ronnie's bone either. What do we have here? It's long, it's round, it's a tan color, it's not flexible, and it's hard, but I can still scratch it with my fingernail. I think we found Ronnie's bone. Of course it's at the top of the stairs. He's terrified of the stairs. Well, I'm glad we were able to use our knowledge of properties of matter to solve that mystery. So why don't you try to find some missing objects around your house, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley's